Well, right now, there is a measles outbreak happening in the Fort Lauderdale area. More than a half dozen children have come down with this highly contagious and potentially deadly virus. And the outbreak has spread beyond one elementary school, with concerns even more people could get sick. After Florida's Surgeon General told parents of unvaccinated children it is their choice whether to keep their kids home. Let's bring in Evan Lambert, who is live. And Evan, what more are we learning about this current outbreak?
Nichole, according to the Florida Department of Health, this measles outbreak has expanded to include 8 total cases. One of those cases is in a child under the age of 5 years old, and 6 of the cases come from that elementary school, the public elementary school in South Florida. This, as the CDC has reported at least 35 cases of measles since January in 15 states. And then on Friday, Michigan also announcing that it has its first case of measles since 2019. So that brings the total states reporting cases to 16. There are also concerns that the elementary school-based outbreak will spread in Florida, as Florida's controversial Surgeon General, Dr. Joseph Ladapo, made the decision not to require unvaccinated students exposed to the outbreak to stay home from school. That is bucking the CDC's guidance on quarantine. In a letter to parents last week, he wrote, quote, "Due to the high immunity rate in the community, as well as the burden on families and educational costs of healthy children missing school, the Department of Health is deferring to parents or guardians to make decisions about school attendance." Now, the surge in measles across the country comes as vaccine skepticism has thrived since the COVID-19 pandemic. We did reach out to the Florida Department of Health to ask more about the decision to not require those unvaccinated students who may have been exposed to the measles outbreak in that school, to not require them to stay home from school. We have not heard back from the health department. Nichole?
All right, Evan Lambert live. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.